How to find your videos on Oculus Quest 2 app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your videos on Oculus Quest app. So for that, just open your Oculus Quest application in your smartphone, and after that, first of all, you have to pair or link your headset to your Oculus Quest application in order to record videos. So in order to see your videos in the Oculus Quest application that you have recorded through your headset, you need to first start recording the videos. So for that, you just need to click on the menu section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And here you will see the option called casting. Just tap on it. And now you will see the start icon at the top of this screen. So when your headset is connected to your Oculus Quest application, the start button will be activated, and then you will be able to click it and start the recording. And once all the recordings are done recording all the videos in your headset, and then you have to click on the gallery icon from the bottom menu, and here you will be able to see all your videos that you have recorded in your headset while using your Oculus Quest mobile application. And if you want to see the sync video, you just have to tap on the sync icon from the top, and if you want to see the casting, you have to tap on the casting. And this way you will be able to find your videos on the Oculus Quest 2 application. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.